Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARAY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $4.30. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $4.30, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above $4.30, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. From the big picture point of view, watch that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, moving, so that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. And essentially, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't feel like drawing the trend line, that's fine. Let this quote-unquote trend line draw itself for you. So like I said, it'll look something like that. So as long as the price stays above the trend line, then by definition, well, that implies the price is in an uptrend, and that's what you want to see. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, initial group right here at $4.50. If the price can push up through there, then the next one is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up around $4.60. So keep an eye on these next couple levels going forward. All in all, any way you look at it though, very nice movement today, and now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.